Because around 12:07, when the Philippine Coast Guard vessel is already on the move, click mo atong video. Play mo. China Coast Guard vessel 5205 carried out a dangerous maneuver resulting to its direct ramming on the port bow of MRRB 9701. Obviously, the Chinese Coast Guard vessel 5202 has ignored collision regulation because of such action. And then what happened next after this in 1207 is that it would turn around, next slide, and then it will reach the starboard quarter of the vessel. Click the video. It will also directly and intentionally ram MRB 9701 on our starboard quarter. A few minutes after it carried out a dangerous maneuver and rammed the port bow of Teresa Magbanua. After this, it went around and then did another ramming to Philippine Coast Guard vessel. Next slide. On the port beam of MRB 9701, China Coast Guard 5202 has once again directly and intentionally rammed the Philippine Coast Guard vessel. It is important for us to take note that this ramming happened despite of our unprovoked action and presence in Escoda Shoal. The Philippine Coast Guard vessel did not provoke or did not do anything while we are loitering around Escoda Shoal, but the Chinese Coast Guard carried out dangerous maneuvers despite of being unprovoked. Next slide. These are the damages that the BRP Teresa Magbanua has incurred as a result of the direct ramming and intentional collision carried out by China Coast Guard 5202. There is a damage on the bridge wing and also on the freeboard of the 9707. 9701, next slide. There is this hole that also was a result of a direct ramming conducted by the China Coast Guard and also on this one. Next slide. As we are conducting this press conference now, I would like to report also to everyone that the Philippine Coast Guard vessel MRV 9701, as of 14:59 or 2:59 p.m. this afternoon, has already dropped its anchor, located also inside Escoda Shoal.